ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra ashapi taka net foodish ordar mapi nginwan ra mangi hakher dob ying jongpi
Dr. Inda Keolin Kharbuli MBBS MD DM Nephrology Idei Dr. Baningkong haga jilla jongi ibala pentibit jala de ban sumari ki badan jingshitom ki khlai ki bam light penjhi bha ki baat ki kijan bat ki badan kam ban le dialysis wan ban yakendu yi ha Woodland Hospital dhan kheti Shillong man lakas ngi do ko por shiphobaji min step shaneng kum ka jingpan kre ya ka Jingrakhe ka jingdap hanyo pusan Snem ka jing yo Laitluid jong ka ri India na ka jing sanchar jong ki pareng ka Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Regional Outreach Bureau Shillong bat Tripura haka Sautrik unai leber arajar arpuar kala Pyninam ya ki dorya le Laitluid ki bala jia hanyo pusan Snem menshwa haka program ka ba u Deputy Commissioner jong ka Riboy District u Arpit Upadhyaya ulalong kongsan kadba u Block Development Officer jong ko umsning CNRD Block ulalong ko musumbot kongsan Hagani gasngi la Pyninam ya ki dor ki dar jong bar o kitu ki bala don benta ka jing ya khun ban penyo ya ka jing Laitluid ka ri India ki bakin thop ya u Mahatma Gandhi u Jawaharlal Nehru u Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel u Subhas Chandra Bose bat ki wei di ki nongelam ki bala IT bat len lade ban penyo Laitluid ya la ka jong ka ri na lor ki kena school bat ki nong hikai la sakhi lang hagani gasngi do director jong ka Regional Outreach Bureau u Dr. Engam Pame bat ki wei
When we say that today we are celebrating 75 years of independence, but we are born in the independent times, we don't know what our forefathers, the makers of our nations, they have faced. So if we go through the history, we will find so many great personalities, and they have sacrificed so much. People have sacrificed their entire life to fight for our independence. Most of them, we don't even know their names. So sometimes I wonder why. What encourages a person to make such a great sacrifice to such an extent that they knew that they will not be able to see the independent India. They laid their lives for us, for India's independence. So what is it that drives you to such kind of a passion? This is our ideals. Our forefathers, the makers of our nation, they fought for us for ideals like equality, justice, brotherhood, fraternity, the freedom to make our choices, the freedom to express ourselves, the freedom to decide what I want to do in my life, the decisions which I make. So whatever we decide today to sleep or not, it is because of those freedom fighters only. And today when we are celebrating the 75 years of India's independence, we should realize that whatever we are enjoying these days, our life, it is because of the sacrifices made by our ancestors, made by our makers of our India. Today when we make decisions, no one thinks what are the implications of these things. Especially for the kids who are, now you are in the schools right now, you are the future of India. They laid their lives so that the future of India can grow.
As we celebrate 75 years of independence, Snem CNRD Block to celebrate 70 years of a journey of its existence. Snem Block, before it was known as a Riboy Tribal Development Block, it was established in the year 1952. So see, just after the freedom, within 5 years, a CNRD Block was established under the Free India. When India got independence, lot of development activity take place, then the first action by the independent country, by our country India, was for the development of tribal areas we call it. It was in the year 1952, a community development program was initiated under the leadership of block development officers and assisted by 6 to 7 extension officers. These extension officers were from other departments like the road, the health, the agri, the education department, and different departments. And they together, they work and initiated and implemented different type of schemes in the rural areas. Having said that thing, the word freedom doesn't mean that by chasing away the Britishers, we have been achieving our goal. During this freedom movement, many leaders of freedom fighters, our leaders come up. They are known to the history, they are written in the golden letters. Right from Mahatma Gandhi, we have seen, we have read these histories and how struggle the other leaders did. Same way we know about Subhash Chandra Bose. Then we know about the history of Sardar Patel. We know many leaders of our independent India who fought hard.
Shaka